good afternoon, students. So, today we are going to learn about the Bravais lattice in three dimension. Okay. In next previous video lecture, we have learned about the Bravais lattice in two dimension. Okay, we have learned this Bravais lattice in two dimension. Now we are going to learn Bravais lattice in three dimension. So, in three dimension, there are three translational vectors are there: a vector, b vector, and c vectors. A vector is a translational vector along one axis, B vector is a translational vector along second axis, and C vector is a translational vector along third axis. And there are the angles are there. Alpha is the angle between C and B. Beta is your angle between B and A. Okay, and gamma is the angle between A and C. Okay, so here we have to make correction there. Here this is the beta is your angle between B and A, so here we have to write, here it should be a beta, and this angle should equals to gamma. Okay, so what is alpha? Alpha is the angle between C and B, beta is the angle between B and A, and gamma is the angle between A and C in this clockwise manner. Okay, so this is about your angles and primitive vectors in three dimension. So in three dimension there are 14 Bravais lattice are there. So this 14 Bravais lattice arises due to the 32 point group symmetry operations. This 32 point group operation 32 point group symmetry operation arises in three dimension, which leads to the 14 Bravais lattice, and it is obtained from these seven crystal structures. So simple cubic having simple face centered and body centered structure, tetragonal having simple and body centered structure, hexagonal is simple hexagonal, trigon is also simple, orthorhombic is existing simple face centered, body centered, and base centered, monoclinic is existing simple and base centered, and it is triclinic is existing simple. Simple means if all lattice points are at the corner, then it is said to be a simple. If all lattice points are at the corner and at the center of the each face, then it is face centered. If all lattice points are at the corner and one lattice point inside the body, then it is body centered or center of the body. And if all lattice points are at the corner and lattice points are situated at the base center, base centered, lower base, and upper base. Okay, so that we are going to learn now detail. So this is a cubic, which is cubic is means if all three parameters are same, a is equals to b is equals to c, and all three angles are also same and equals to 90 डिग्री. अगर तीनों के तीनों साइड सेम है और तीनों के तीनों एंगल सेम हो कि कितने हैं 90 डिग्री है, तो उसको कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर बोलेंगे अपन? क्यूबिक. And cubic is classified into three: simple cubic, body centered cubic, and face centered cubic. Simple cubic means if lattice points are at corners only, मतलब lattice point कहाँ पे रहेंगे? और 8 कॉर्नर है क्यूब के, उस 8 कॉर्नर्स पे lattice point रहेंगे. Okay, and actual these lattice points are means, suppose if it is a at lattice point there is a single atom is are there, so there is a one atom is there which lies at this point, and atoms will be attached with each other. So this atom attached with the second atom, and this center of from this corner to this corner, that is known as your lattice parameter. इसको अपन A बोलते हैं, lattice parameter. Okay, so in cubic, all lattice points at the corner. What happens in body centered? All lattice point at the corner as well as one lattice point inside. मतलब 8 कॉर्नर पे 8 लैटिस पॉइंट रहेंगे और एक लैटिस पॉइंट कहाँ पे रहेगा? बॉडी के सेंटर में रहेगा. मतलब एक एटम पूरा बॉडी के इनसाइड में रहेगा और सभी एटम्स बाकी के 8 कहाँ पे रहेंगे? कॉर्नर्स पे रहेंगे. थर्ड वन इज फेस सेंटर्ड. फेस सेंटर्ड मीन्स ऑल एटम्स एट द कॉर्नर as well as there is a face, 6 faces are there, and at the center of the face also there is a one lattice point. So how many faces are there? Six faces are there. So they at the center of the each face. For this face, at this point there is a lattice point. For this lower face, at this point there is a lattice point. For this face, there at this point there is a lattice point, and for upper face here, backward side here, front side here. So there are six faces, and at the center of six face there are six atoms are there. So in this way you will see the structure like this. Lattice points at the corner, as well as one lattice point lies at the center of the each face. Okay, so this is about the cubic structure. Simple cubic structure is known as your primitive. Okay, face centered is known as your F, and body centered is known as your I. Okay, that simple cubic is known as your primitive P. This is known as your F, and this is known as your I. uh, I, it is a body centered. I or C it is there. Okay, we will learn this. C cubic, it is I, it is I means your body centered. Okay, now this simple cubic structure is classified into three Bravais lattice. Similarly, tetragonal structure is there. What is tetragonal? Tetragonal means two sides are same and one side is different, and all angles are 90-degree. So then it is known as your tetragonal structure. So this is your tetragonal. Tetragonal exists in simple tetragonal form and body centered tetragonal form. Okay, so remember here that both two sides are same and one side is different. In cube all sides are same and all angles are equal same in tetragonal. Next is your orthorhombic. In case of orthorhombic, there are four Bravais lattice are there: simple, body centered, base centered. Base centered means at upper base and lower base centered, and at our corners. Okay, face centered means at the corners as well as at the center of the each face. Okay, so orthorhombic has maximum four, that orthorhombic has maximum all lattice: primitive, uh, that is body centered, face centered, and end centered. Okay, and all three sides are different in orthorhombics, and all angles are same equals to 90-degree. Next one is your hexagonal. In hexagonal, what happens? Two sides A and B, both these two sides are same and not equal to third side C. So this A side, this side A, this side B, these two sides are same, and this side is different, C. So that is your A is equals to B, not equals to C. And next, this is your hexagonal. A is equals to B, not equals to C. Two angles are equal 90-degree, and third angle is 120-degree. So it is zinc oxide exists in a hexagonal structure form. Okay, and it is a simple hexagonal structure. Next one is your uh, that is this is trigonal. Rhombohedral is also known as your trigonal structure. In trigonal structure, so this is trigonal. All sides are same and all angles are same, but not equals to 90-degree. Then it is known as your trigonal structure. So it is your trigonal exists in simple trigonal form. Then monoclinic. Monoclinic is exist in simple and base centered form. Monoclinic means all sides are different. Okay, and two angles are 90-degree and third angle is different. Okay, so next one is your triclinic. Triclinic means this is the structure for triclinic is exist in simple triclinic form. All sides are different, all angles are different, then it is known as triclinic. Potassium dichromate is exist in a triclinic form. So this is about your different Bravais lattice. So how many Bravais lattice are there in three dimension? 14 Bravais lattice are there. Cubic has 3. Okay, if you want to calculate this, so this is cubic has 3, tetragonal has 2, hexagonal has 1, simple hexagonal, trigonal is also simple, Orthorhombic has maximum all type of that structure. It has four. Monoclinic is exist in base and base centered. Okay, simple and base centered. Sorry, here it is to be two is there. Okay, and triclinic is exist in a single form. Okay, here we have written five. So we'll remove this. So what are the total? So total this 3 plus 2 5, 6 7, 7 plus 4 is your 11, 12, 13 and 14. So there are total 14 Bravais lattice in 3 dimension. Okay, this is about your three-dimensional Bravais lattice. We'll stop here, and in next lecture we are going to study the parameters of a your unit cell. So we'll stop here.